Hello everyone, in this video we will know how to compose an email. How do we compose it and send it forward? So open your Gmail first in your iPhone and click on the compose button in the lower right corner where it is mentioned compose. You click on that, you tap on that and you will be headed towards this where there are some titles mentioned to, from, subject, compose email. So to whom you have to send the email, you mention their email id, right? So it can be anything, right? And from means from which id it is being sent. You don't need to mention it because it is already mentioned as you are sending from an account already, right? But you can also change it right away, right? Now what is subject? Whatever you want to convey, the brief line which is visible and read by the receiver, you have to write that line. So it can be like application for any particular position, requesting for removal of something, whatever the main thing is about that whole email, you have to mention it in one line so the receiver understands in one view that what this whole email is about. Rest, to compose email, you have a whole format. You greet that person, you mention your content, you give regards and attach any document or file you want to. So I'm going to paste a pre-copied content of email that I have. I'm going to paste it now. So for you to give an example, first it is like greetings dear Ria, then I'm just saying that yeah, I hope you're doing well, I'm reaching out for this purpose, and the main content which you want to convey. In the last you will mention thank you in advance, like or maybe just like hope to get a response as soon as possible, right? And then you will mention best regards, your full name, or it is not always necessary depending upon who is sending and for what purpose, and your contact information. So this is an email that most of you must have written in other forms, right? So quite similar to letter or application format, but not the same, of course. Then you can also add a document by clicking on the first out of the three on the top right corner, right? So the one with the clip icon, which looks like a clip, right? You click on that and you can select your document or maybe a picture from anywhere, and now you have to click on send. It is mentioned send. So now this email will go instead of draft to the sent emails of your account from which you have sent. And that's how we compose an email. See you in the next video. Tada!